Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing good. Today in this video, you will learn how we can install WAMP server. For this, just open any browser and search download WAMP server. The first link here, you will get WAMP server. You can select 32 bits or 62 bits as per your requirement here. Click on the WAMP server. Here you just need to fill this is written in the French here. Name, you can just write it's optional name, email address, telephone, and country name. Here you can select function. You can select anyone, and that way you can just click on the submit. And once you submit, you will able to download the software. I have already downloaded the software. So link you can just wampserver.com. Here you can just I'm going to share with you also the link so that you can download here the link where you can download. Once you have downloaded, you just need to click on the WAMP server. It takes few minutes to install WAMP server. Already you have installed the WAMP server. Both are used for the Windows system. Now, once you have downloaded, you just need to click on the yes, select the English only, and okay, accept the agreement and click on the next. The location where you will install, that is the WAMP 64 C drive, or you can even change the location. Next, again, click next, next, install. It will take few minutes to install the WAMP server. Both work for the Windows, WAMP and JAMP. You see here the location of the WAMP, C WAMP 64. You see here the Apache server and the MySQL will, yes, do you want to install on your system? Do you want to choose another browser, install on your system? Yes. And this way you can, or you can just select text editor, or you can just leave this one. Why? Please wait while setup install WAMP 64 on your computer. Setup WAMP server on your computer. See, this is the screen. You just need to and complete the WAMP server setup. So finally, we have installed the WAMP server. You can check where we can check. Just click on the WAMP. You see here the WAMP server 64. Click on the open. Yes. WAMP server start on services. You see the icon at the bottom here. Just click on the icon. You see here the color of the icon, and once you start all services, click on the start all services. Yes. And the icon changed into green. So all these services now have started, right? And you see, click on the local host. Your local host. Local hosts. Right? Again, you can check here PHP You can also open the PHP 5.2.0. MySQL here will write down the queries. So just check where you have installed the WAMP server. This is PHP MySQL. This one is the local host where you will run the programs and check the output. This is your MySQL. So check where you have installed. This is the C drive and WAMP 64. Click on WAMP 64. Then go to www. Right. You also just remember this trace the WAMP64 www. Here you can create any folder where you will run, save your program. So I'm going to create a folder named CIMAGE. Open any browser and editor where you will write down the program. So Notepad, I'm just going to use the Notepad here. You can any web editor you can use, text editor. And here I'm just going to write down the PHP start, standard tag PHP and PHP close. Here, just write down the first program, echo hello world. Put here the semicolon. Save this file with where you will save C drive, WAMP, WAMP 64, then www, then CIMAGE, and you can write down name of your file first dot php, right? First dot php you can first dot save this file, and you can open the browser. You can write down here localhost, or you can directly click on here icon, then localhost. Localhost, you will find out here this is your localhost, virtual host, and WAMP server, PHP, all these image here. You can see the image must be, you can write down either here in the image folder where you have written the program. And once you click on the first .php, you will see the output here. So this is a simple process. How can we install the WAMP server as well as we write down the first program, first C drive, WAMP 64 and www. Inside, I have created a folder CIMAGE, and here you will save all your programs and run the programs in the location where you can write down type, or you can just go through the localhost. So I hope it is clear, the points which I explained. Thanks for watching the video.